Welcome to Open House Wizard. Here's how to create a QR code and text code visitor registration flyer for your next open house. Want to make visitor registration at your open house quick, easy, and totally contact-free? Open House Wizard has you covered with simple, customizable QR and text code flyers. Follow these easy steps and you'll be ready for a smooth, professional check-in experience in no time. Step 1. Log in to your Open House Wizard account. First, log into Open House Wizard at openhousewiz.com. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. It's super quick to create a free one, and you'll be ready to go in just a few clicks. Step 2. Add your property or choose an existing one. Once you're logged in, head over to Property, Visitors, and Flyers. Here's where you can add a new property or choose one you've already set up for your open house. Just pick the property you want and click Add Flyer to start customizing. Step 3. Customize your open house flyer. Now comes the fun part, making your flyer look amazing. Here's what to do. 1. Fill in property details. Include things like the price, address, and anything special that makes your property stand out. 2. Co-host option. If you're working with another agent, choose the co-host flyer option to show both of your brands. 3. Pick a font and color scheme. Select your favorite font style, and if you're on a paid plan, you can choose from a range of color options to match your branding. 4. Upload photos. Add 3 great images of the property, plus a couple of extras for good measure. 5. Add company info. Don't forget your company details so visitors know exactly who they're working with. Step 4. Generate and receive your flyer. When you're happy with all the details, hit Create Flyer. Open House Wizard will send your finished flyer right to your inbox. Step 5. Set up your flyer at your open house. On the day of your open house, just print out the flyer and set it up near the entrance. When visitors arrive, they'll have 2 easy ways to register. QR code. They can simply scan the QR code on their phones to fill out their registration form. Text code. Alternatively, they can text the code on the flyer to the number provided, get a link to the form, and fill it out in seconds. And there you go. Open House Wizard makes registration at your open house a breeze. Now you can focus on connecting with visitors and showing off your property. Good luck, and here's to a successful, stress-free open house.